In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Microsoft To Do to Notion using Zapier, and I'll guide you through this process in just 5 minutes. So, whether you're streamlining your workflow or just experimenting with automation, let's dive into it and make this connection happen seamlessly. First, you'll want to log into your Zapier account. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. Setting one up is quick and easy. Once you're in, look for the prominent Create Zap button. This is where the magic starts. Zaps are small modules in Zapier that connect 2 or more apps to automate repetitive tasks. By clicking this button, you'll begin creating your customized automation between Microsoft To Do and Notion. Next, let's set up the trigger. The trigger is essentially what will set the Zap into motion. For our use case, we'll begin by choosing Microsoft To Do as the trigger app. After selecting it, you'll be asked to specify what exactly will trigger the Zap. Here, you might choose an event like New Task, meaning every time a new task is created in Microsoft To Do, this Zap will kick into action. You'll then need to sign in and authenticate your Microsoft account. If prompted, follow the instructions to give Zapier the necessary permissions to access the app. This step is crucial because it allows Zapier to watch for new tasks without you having to lift a finger. Once authenticated, testing the trigger is a wise step. It helps ensure Zapier can successfully pull in sample data from Microsoft To Do. This tests your connection and gives you peace of mind knowing everything is working as expected. Now, let's move on to setting the action. This is where your Notion account becomes integral. Choose Notion as the action app, and when you do, you'll be required to specify the action event. A popular choice here might be Create Database Item, meaning each new task from Microsoft To Do will be added to a designated Notion database. You'll need to connect your Notion account. This involves signing in and granting appropriate permissions, allowing Zapier to interact with your content in Notion. With access granted, select the specific database in Notion where you want tasks to appear. This is customizable, so you can choose any existing database or create a new one. Mapping data from Microsoft To Do to Notion is the next step. For example, you might map the subject of tasks in Microsoft To Do to the name field in your Notion database. This ensures all relevant details are transferred correctly. Finally, test this action. Run a sample to see everything in action, making sure tasks populate correctly in Notion. If all looks good, turn on your Zap. With this, your automation is live, and tasks will flow effortlessly from Microsoft To Do into Notion, enhancing your productivity with a seamless connection. And there you have it. Connecting Microsoft To Do to Notion using Zapier is now done, bringing a whole new level of efficiency and organization to your workflow. Happy automating!